Hi guys, I'm having some fun with the Quick GUI, right? Quick GUI, a Flutter front end for QuickGet and QuickEmu. I checked out Tails and Stable. This was a black screen. That's not interesting. This is what I'm gonna talk about. This is what? No hard disk. So yeah, it is. Yeah, it is what it is, right? I wanted to make a video for the ISO builders. There are a few guys who are in the or have enrolled in the university course of building your own ISO, right? And Calamares is one of the tools that helps you install an operating system, and this is Lubuntu. So I've used the tool Quick GUI to quickly download it and boot it up. Just wanted to make a video saying that look, we have different ways of teaching you guys how to build ISOs. One reference point is Carly. Lots of things explained about Calamares. Second one is ALCI. Right? ALCI, ArcoLinux Calamares installer on its own proper website. And thirdly, of course, is ArcoLinux. So you have three references, and you would think that would be enough, right? Maybe it's not. So let's see if we can find it. So Lubuntu is using Calamares. Any Linux distribution that uses Calamares, you can try and find it. Can you find the Lubuntu team Calamares settings Ubuntu, right? Go and read code. One of the things I've just mentioned yesterday, you gotta read, right? At university, you got to read things, listen to videos, and absorb the knowledge. So you see what's in here, Lubuntu, and we have modules. That's something you should recognize if you're a builder in Calamares, because these are the files, the configuration files. So my message is, why do they do this? Before, after, auto mirror, what is all that? So the information is online, and it seems to be up to date 40 minutes ago, right? 40 months ago. So check them out. This is just Lubuntu, right? But there will be probably more. So just if you type Calamares and then maybe some technical name like the configuration file, everybody needs to have the file called settings.conf, right? So if I type settings.conf, well, Calamares first and then settings.conf, and then you can maybe limit yourself to the GitHub, and then later you limit yourself to some Calamares settings here for Manjaro, barbecue Linux, I suppose, BBQ, and so many more, right? Go and have a look what's on Gitlab, and you can keep on learning. So I've never asked the question to anybody. I just read code, say why is that there, then copy paste the code, build the ISO, and say, oh, that's interesting, I'll keep it, right? And otherwise it's not interesting, I won't keep it. I see here also then mentioned here Tech Zero, right? It's one of our spin-offs. If he can do it, why can't you do it? So have a look at the code and see what's in there. What elements does he choose as modules, as branding? And you see, still uses the name ArcoLinux there. So it is reading and listening to videos. That's all I wanted to say. And this is Lubuntu. Let's have a look. So yeah, of course it looks kind of the same, because, and this is a choice. I don't like this choice. This is Dutch. He looks at where I live and it gives me my language. I don't want my language. I want American English, right? Because I make so many videos and they all should be in English. That's one language for everybody. Next, recognizable, right? Super recognizable. And this is just a 15 minutes pass through, and you can do your thing. But this is the only choices, right? You can limit the choices. You can say, well, that's it. No ButterFS, no X4. It's gonna be by default X4. You have no choice in the matter. You can only choose this. So any of these things, these restrictions, can be set into Calamares. Next, and yeah, for the rest, I don't think you'll see anything new. But let's. So there, in our case, there's one more there, right? There's one more. There isn't. Yep. Okay. And then poof, and we got this pop-up, and then we're off. So that's your Calamares on Lubuntu, and you make your own Calamares with all the information that's available on all the websites and all the third parties, anything you can find. Compare, and the application is melt. All right, have fun, builders.